Gather round and listen, I've a story here for you about the things that Pokey and his friends all like to do. Saggy Baggy, Elephant, and Scuffy have one too. Stories that have all come true. Sit and listen carefully, and I will begin. This story belongs to you. Believe it or not, even a king can use a helping hand or trunk once in a while. That is the sound of an extremely unhappy, tawny, scrawny lion. And that is the sight of an extremely happy, saggy, baggy elephant. Let's see how the jungle takes care of its own, shall we?
Ruby, boy, when did you learn to fly?
When the king's unhappy, it's impossible for anyone to keep her feet on the ground.
Don't worry, we can hide out together till old Tawny Scrawny's feeling more like himself.
No. Saggy Baggy, wait! You don't understand. His Tawny Scrawny Majesty sent me to find you.
The king wants to see me?
Uh-huh.
Gosh.
I'm the king. How could this be happening to me? Darn it, there's another one. They make me so mad!
Wow, now I know how Ruby learned to fly.
Saggy Baggy, you're here. I thought you were never coming.
Well, Your Majestifulness, I didn't think the king of the jungle really wanted to see saggy, baggy, tiny old me.
Saggy, it's true you are a bit wrinkled and loosely wrapped and not very large. But there's one important thing you always are.
What's that, Your Very Highness? I hope you're not going to say tasty.
Not so tasty since I learned to like vegetables. I called you here because you're always ready to help a friend. So help me get rid of these awful hiccups.
Oh, that's a cinch. We simply scare them away. Cover your eyes.
Like this, Saggy Baggy?
Perfect. Now, no peeking. Now, uncover them. Boo! Boo! Boo, boo, boo! 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 That's funny. It always works on me.
Any other ideas?
Don't worry, Your Tawny Scrawny Maneness. I have a whole trunk full of tricks. They're supposed to go away if you drink lots of water. Well? Well, there's always tickling.
No, not that.
Any luck? I guess we'll have to try the bath therapy.
Saggy Baggy, this isn't working.
Just give it another minute.
Flippin' lizards! Run, Saggy, I'll hold him off. Say, what's the big idea?
I thought it was getting rid of the hiccups.
You're right, they're gone.
Told you a scare would work.
Thanks, Saggy. I owe you one.
Thanks, Casey.
Don't mention it, Saggy. It was worth it for the peace and quiet.
So the king was happy, the jungle was happy, and Saggy Baggy was the happiest of all. If only he could find someone to help him get rid of his hiccups.